Abhishek Shukla has 3 years of experience in the electrical field. After that, he decided to switch his career to the IT field, so he joined STAD Solution for software testing training and got placed at 𝚑𝐃 Forest as a software tester. Let's hear from him.
Hello, myself Abhishek Shukla. I'm from Surat. I completed my graduation in 2019 into electrical engineering. I have a 3-year experience into different companies and institute of my engineering background, and after that I just want to make my career into software testing. And one of my friends suggests that software testing is the best career option, especially for the non-IT field. After so many research and analysis, I found that STAD Solution is one of the best institutes which provide both manual and automation testing regarding courses. And during my entire course of this journey, I learned about lots of many things like how to make a test plan, test scenarios, test cases, and so many automation part of tools like JIRA, API testing, Postman, MySQL, and Selenium WebDriver, and lots of things in automation testing. These are the highly recommended and demand in IT industries.
After training, Abhishek Shukla got placed at 𝚃 Forest as software tester.
And at the end, I just want to highly recommend all the viewers that please join STAD Solution if you want to make your career into software testing field. And I also want to thank all the STAD Solution entire team, especially Ajay Pal sir, Kashpi ma'am, Richa ma'am, Bhanushri ma'am, Mabel sir, and all the STAD Solution to encourage me and provide guidance in this course journey. Thank you so much.